shit, you just burnt me again. Alright. What's in it? Why is there no fucking gas? Oh, there's just no gas? It was a little too lean on the mixture.